Hi, we're here at the VIA building in Fremont, Northern California, and the purpose of today's video is to show an MDD screen mirroring demo. So first of all, we take the MDD and we put it back in its dock, and within a few seconds the screen is mirrored on the main display. So another part of the demo we have is we have a voice turn-by-turn navigation application. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to use one of the locations that's already input. In this case, it's the Community Policing Center, and we're going to hit go. So right now it's calculating the route, and as soon as we're ready, we're going to take off.
Drive 0.2 miles, then turn left.
So I'm going to turn the left signal on, so we'll switch the display. And as soon as the signal disengages, your navigation app should come back up. We also want to show you how the device can be sent a text. So in a few seconds we should see a text from Amy. She's going to hit send anytime now, and the text has just shown up that there's a package that's awaiting a pickup. In 5 seconds or so it actually is removed from the display. But I'm also going to show you the last part of our demo. I'm going to exit out of this, and we're going to show you, as part of the audio setup, we're going to play a song. This song was chosen by Amy. So as you can see, some very good audio that's coming from the MDD device that's connected back to our MA20 solution, and also the display. Thank you very much. We hope you like this demo.